going to show you how to configure VOIP data 3 or 4 VLANs. We'll see how we can configure all the routers, mail addresses, and so on. So let's start. For the moment, let's take one router, 2811. Very important to take the router. Which one I take? Switches. So I don't know how many VLANs we should do. Let's put like a main switch here. Let me put this one here. This will be like a main switch. I'm going to call it like that. Yeah. Main switch. Okay. We'll need one for servers. Okay, let's see. We do 3, 4 VLANs. Sure. So that's it. We'll do like 4 VLANs with servers. So okay, let's put some PCs. For this I will minimize the window a little bit. Yeah. Put the PC. Let's want one IP phone, or let's put the PC for this one. And this, it will be a little bit a bigger VLAN. Yeah. This one as well, I think, should be. And let's put production. Okay. IP phone and one printer. For this one, I'm going to use one PC, one IP phone, and one printer as well. Yeah. One IP printer. Okay, 3 servers. Need 3 servers to configure mail address and everything. Okay, let's call this one HTTP web. DNS and mail. Switch on. Call this one server. Management. Production and sales. Easy steps. Okay, let's connect them now. I think it's enough. We can build more. If you need more, you can build how many VLANs you need. Let's connect them at first, and after I'm going to. So we start from router with FA00 interface to FA01. That should be. Yeah. From main switch FA02 to FA01, FA03 to FA01, FA04 to FA01. Put for all switches 01 is more easier to configure them. Yeah. So FA05 to FA01. Okay, now we can connect the VLANs. So this one, this one, this one. Let's put from PC first. Now the range. Servers. Okay. Let's put this DNS more easier. Okay. Phone. We have one phone, 3 PC for production. Have 2 PC, 1 phone, 1 printer for sale. Okay. So we have to plug for the phone, we have to plug the power, click on the phone, drag this cable onto the power source. And that one for all phone like that. You can see now the interface is turned green. Here. That's it. You can fast forward from here, and they're already green. This one it will be still on red. Okay. Let's do some drag from here. Okay, let's say fill color. Select fill color. Let's put on yellow this one. This will be servers. Yeah. So we have servers on yellow. And next time, select fill color. Let's put it red. Or almost red. Production. Call this one production. Next one it will be with pink. Okay, so it will be for sale. Yeah. And next one, let's put blue, my favorite color. Blue. Okay, and this it will be for management. So we're done with this. Let's move them a little bit like that. This, like this. Okay. So this one, we're going to call this one. Let me write something. We're going to call this one servers. Sorry. Servers VLAN 10 and IP address IP 10 IP for this 192.168.1.0. This will be the start IP address for this VLAN. Yeah, we'll make for this one VLAN 20. Yeah, so production VLAN 20 and IP it will be 192.168.2 2.0, and this one, I'll call this one sales VLAN 30, yeah, VLAN 30, and IP address, it will be 192.168.3.0, and finally VLAN management. I say this was this one, and VLAN 40 IP 2.168.4.0. So management, servers, production, and sale. At first, we have to start configure the main switch, which one is this one from here. So all these interfaces, from FA01 to FA05 should be on mode trunk. But at first we have to create the VLANs. So we go on main switch, CLI, English, config terminal, and we start to create the VLANs. So we have 4 VLANs, so VLAN 10, main servers, VLAN 20, main production, VLAN 30, main sales, I think, so sales, and VLAN 40, main management. Okay, exit. Now we have to put the interfaces on mode trunk, because like that, through this switch we can have access to all the VLANs. So interface range FA0/1 to 5 switch port mode trunk. So already now they will change. Now we have to switch port, trunk allowed, VLAN 10, 20, 30, 40, and of course we have to copy this, and we have 4 VLANs. We have to write this line 4 times, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, so it's 4 VLANs, 4 switch port trunk allowed VLAN. That's all. Exit. So with this done, just double check the interface number FA01 to FA05. Now let's start with the switch from servers. Click CLI, English, config terminal, and we have to create the VLAN. VLAN 10, mail server. Just the VLAN for this switch. We have to create just the VLAN, which one it's here, yeah. And after, I have to put these three interfaces on access mode. Yeah, so these three interfaces, which one starts from 2 to 4, 2 to 4. So interface range, exit first, interface range FA 0/2 to 4, switch port mode address, switch port address VLAN 10, exit. So like that we have to do for all the interfaces, for all the switches, for all VLANs, yeah. So now next on production, CLI, English, config terminal, and here the same, VLAN 20, main production, exit, interface range. How many? Here we have 4 interfaces, so it's to start from 2 to 5, yeah. Let me see, 2 to 5 exactly, yeah. FA 0/2 to 5, switch port mode address, switch port address VLAN 20, exit. Next, I'll move this a little bit like that, CLI, English, config terminal, yeah, so VLAN 30, main, sales, exit, interface range, FA 0/, let's see how many we have here, 4, so it should be from 2 to 5, yes, 2 to 5, switch port mode address, switch port mode address, switch address VLAN 30, exit. Done with this one as well. Last one, CLI, English terminal, VLAN, VLAN 40, management, exit. Let me see how many we have here. We'll have from 2 to 5. It's just 3 interfaces. So interface range FA 0/2 to 5, sorry. Switch port mode address, switch port address VLAN 40, exit. Okay, now we have to start to configure the router. So in a router, CLI, they ask if we want to load configuration from before, but we don't have any, so we say no. Enter, English, config terminal, Okay, at first I want to put the interface on mode, this interface to don't shut down, so interface fa0/0, that is the interface, no safe hash. That's why I say to pay attention what interface number you connect, because it's more easier to configure. You don't have to come all the time to see what is the number, fa00. Oh, okay, let's go back. So like that you know which interface you put here, so like that it's more easier to start configuring. Don't lose a lot of time coming back and have a look what interface is. Yeah, exit. And now we have to create sub interfaces for all the VLANs. So that is meaning we have to create 4 sub interfaces starting from this IP, from this IP, from this IP, and from this one. Yeah. So how we do that? Interface fa0/0.10 for VLAN 10. Yeah. So this will start with server. Yeah. Encapsulation dot 1q 10 IP add 192.168.1.1 255.255.255.0. This will be subnet mask. Yeah, exit. So we create first sub interface for this VLAN. Yeah. So how I say, start from 192.168.1.0. So next IP address it will be 1.1. Yeah. Now let's start with production. So we make for production interface fa0/0.20 for VLAN 20. Yeah. Encapsulation dot 1q 20 IP add 192.168.2.0 255.255.1. Sorry guys, .1. Yeah. 55.255.255.0. Exit. Next one to be save. Yeah. So interface fa0/0.30 from VLAN 30. Encapsulation dot 1q 30 IP add 192.168.3.1 255.255.255.0. Exit. Interface fa0/0.40. It's for VLAN 40. Yeah, from this one. Encapsulation dot 1q 40 IP add 92.168.4.1 255.255.0. Exit. So now what we have done now, we make the sub interfaces for each VLAN. That is mean now this VLAN they know which IP address to take when we will create the pulse and a router, because we're going to make the pulse on router. So let's start. IP. We'll start for servers. I don't know, there's no point to do it, because anyway we'll put all the servers, we'll put on static IP. Yeah, so if we put on dynamic IP the servers, it will be, you cannot access the mail because on dynamic the IP address it will change all the time. But so let's make for production, more stuff for production. So IP, yeah, dhcp pool production, new torque 192.168.2.0 subnet mask 255.255.255.0. yeah, enter. Default router. Default router is basically it's the gateway, which one we're going to use for this interface and this ones as well. Yeah, so default router to be 192.168.2.1, so it will start from 1, and after all the pieces and phone it will get from 2, so it will be .2, .3, .4 and so on. We have to add DNS server, so DNS server 192.168.1, and here as well for this interface is .1, so for VOIP it will be .2, for DNS it will be .3, yeah, .3. Okay, so that's all for this one. No guys, there is a mistake. We have to add, because we have phone, we have to add our option 150, so IP dhcp pool we have option 150 IP 192.168.2.1. enter, exit. Now let's just close a little bit the router, rename for production. Let's have a quick look if we can get IP. So we go on one of the PC config, oh sorry, the desktop IP config, and we move from static to dhcp. Yeah, so we get the IP address, dhcp request successful. So the IP address for this PC it will be 192.168.2, subnet mask 255, which one I got, default gateway, exactly what I said, the default router 192.168.2.1, and DNS server. Yeah, let's see the phone. I might have to add the phone on the different villa. So for this one is .3. Yeah, we might need to do it on different villa. Okay, we'll come back to this. IP dhcp pool sales network 192.168.3.0 55.255.255.0 default router 192.168.3.0.1 sorry DNS server will be 192.168.1.3 let's say. That's it for this one as well. Let's see. Desktop IP config. Okay, so we get the IP address and everything. For this one, desktop IP dhcp. For printer, let's have a look. This one I know does something. dhcp. So for printer we should get the IP address as well. Let's go on. Yeah, so it's 34. You just have to click on printer and move from static to dhcp gateway DNS IPv4, yeah. And after you will get IP for the printer as well. Yeah. Yeah, perform we're going to make another VLAN for now next it will be management. Okay, management dhcp pool management network 2.168.4.0 255.255.255.0 default router 192.168.4.1 DNS server 92.168.1.3. See. Okay, so for this one as well we did this. Let's go on this config dhcp. We will get, let me see, we get the IP for this. Yes. Sorry guys. dhcp successful. Now we have to go on servers and start desktop IP config, and we have to add manually 192.168.1.2 I say to be for this one. Copy default gateway for this, it's .1 DNS server, it's .3 paste .3. Okay, HTTP we can go to service HTTP, yeah, and you can edit this text when we try to looking for web. We can edit this text from here. Let's say Cisco Packet Tracer. We'll write this one, computer network design, and save. Yeah. So instead of come on that page when we going to access Cisco packet tracer to come computer network design. Save, yes. Okay, so we're done. We have to make sure the HTTP is on. Let's go on DNS, the scope, let's configure so it's .3, 3.1, and DNS again, .3. Okay, the same. We can go on service, DNS should be on. Yeah, we can add a record, so we say web, yeah. And this one, it will be the IP address from HTTP web server, so add, click on it, save. Later we will have to do for mail as well, but at the moment let's take it with small steps. Next, mail server, let's configure this one the same, IP config. Next, it will be .4. Paste .1. DNS server. Paste .3. The same services should be on. Yeah, when we go, but it's mail. Yeah, should be SMT and POP on. Here we have to create the user and domain name. User for the PCs, so we call them exactly how they are: PC0, PC1, PC2, and so on. Yeah, PC3, PC4, PC5. But I'm going to do just for 2, 3. For domain name, we can add gmail.com. So make sure you write correct, otherwise it doesn't work. gmail.com. Set, yeah. And now user PC0, password 123, add. Next, PC1, 123, add. Next, PC2, next, PC3, add. Next, PC4, add. Let me see how many we have. PC5. Okay, one more. PC5. Add on this plus. If you want to remove, just click on it and remove from this one. So we're done with mail server as well. Now I said we have to do it for phones, but let's finish at first to configure the mail. We will go on PC1, for example, email, and here your name. How is PC1, email address, PC1 at gmail.com. Incoming server, we have to put the IP address from the server, and outgoing server the same. Username, it's what we did earlier, PC1, and password 123. Save. Yeah, just click receive. Yeah, made successful receive. And let's do for PC5 as well. I'm not going to do all of them, it will take a lot of time. So your name PC5, email address PC5 at gmail.com, incoming mail server .4, going as well .4, username PC5, password 123, save, receive. Yes, so let's compose one mail to PC1 at gmail.com, subject my mail, and my mail, send Send successful. Yeah. Now let's go to PC1 to see if we received that mail. So we go on PC1 email and we click receive. So how you can see here, we receive a mail from PC5. Yeah, my mail. Okay, you can delete the mail, you can reply. Yeah. Now let's do a lot of things we have to do again because of the interface range. The trunk allowed. Okay, we have to add one more line for the phone. And we have to create one more VLAN. Yeah, start to do that. English Fig terminal VLAN 100. We'll put this one. And voice. See, interface range. Sorry. Interface range FA 0/1 to 5. It was switch port mode trunk alloy VLAN 100. Switch port trunk alloy, switch port trunk alloy VLAN 100. Exit. That's it. We have this one. Now what do we have to do? Wherever we have phone, we have to change the access mode for phone as well. So on these three VLANs we have to put. So when I make interface range FA 0 to 5, yeah, I have to put switch port access VLAN 10 and 20. So we'll start with 10 and 100. So English do 100 just Fig terminal, and we have interface range FA 0/2 to 5. Now we do for production. Switch port mode just switch port voice VLAN 100. Yeah, so we have to add this line as well. Switch port voice VLAN. So we don't have to write the same like here. Switch port access VLAN. We have to write switch port voice VLAN 100. Yeah. Oh, first we have to create the VLAN. Yeah. So VLAN 100 main voice. Yeah. And after we have to put interface range FA 0/2 to 5. Port mode access switch port voice VLAN 100. That's it. So now in this one we have to do for all of them like this. So at first we have to create the VLAN. We're going to get config VLAN 100 exit, interface range. What interface range we have here? 2.5. FA 0/2.5 switch port mode chess switch port voice give on 100. Yeah, exit. Next on this one, because we have here as well. So the same English fig terminal. Okay. V100 voice exit interface range FA 0/2.5. Okay, so now I understand. This one should be 2.6. No, 2.5, 2.4 this one. Okay. Four. Switch port mode chess switch port voice 100. Exit. Now we have to create the pool and encapsulation interfaces. Yeah. English terminal interface FA 0/0.100 for VLAN 100 encapsulation dot 1Q 100 IP add. Let's add 172.16.1.0. yeah, .1, sorry, 255.255.255.0. I put a different one because let's say we use for phone another IP address on the same subnet. Exit and IP dhcp pool voice network 172.16.1.0 subnet mask 255.255.255.0 default router 172.16.1.1 DNS server 192.168.1.3 exit. Okay. Again we have to add option 100. Copy, paste, network, paste, option 150, IP 172.16.1.1 default router. Add them again on just in case. And DNS server exit. That's it. This fast forward. Let's double check if we can send the envelope from here to here. First simulation, real time. I put them on real time. We can delete this one. And let's try to do it again. From PC to server. File. Real time. There is someone. So how we can see now, we get the IP for the phones. Let's see why we cannot. We have to. Let me see if I can send from here to another PC. Strange, because the mail address it was working. Oh, we have to put this on track. Interface FA01. Let's see how we can do this faster. Config interface FA01. It's on track. So, exit interface FA0/. Okay, 20, 30, 40, 100. Switchboard, trunk allow VLAN. VLAN 10, 20, 30, 40, and 100. I'm going to do this for all of them. Copy, paste, paste, paste. Okay, I want to see main switch if we. Okay, 100. So after we can see now we get IP for the phones. Let's do this. The same interface FA/1 switch port mode trunk switch port trunk allow VLAN 10, 20, 30, 100. Copy paste. envelope here, fail. Okay, so we have to delete on this one. There. See? So interface FA 0/125. So interface range FA 0/125. Switch port mode trunk. Switch port trunk allow VLAN 10, 20, 40 and 100. Now we have to do it 5 times because earlier I put access VLAN 100 only, and that's why the configuration change. For 5 times because we have 5 VLANs. That's it. And this should work. Okay, one more time. Okay, let's make this server IP DHCP all servers network 192.168.255.255.255.0 for router 2.168.1.1 DNS server 2.168.1. Okay, let's see if we can access the web. Let's go on PC web, and we can write web, go. So the web is working. Okay, web, it's working. Why they cannot send data between them successfully? Yeah, so the main problem why I cannot send envelope from here to here, it was because of we didn't create the pool for servers. So now they are all working. We just have to add for phones the line number. Yeah, so we go on router and saying telephone service this command sim directory number dn will be how many phones we have. So we have 1, 2, 3 phones, yeah. So we have 3. Maxim e phones 3. IP source address to be 172.168.1.1 port 2000. Okay, auto assign 1, 2, 3. Let's see. So we have phone directory number 1, yeah, number, let's say 101, city, yeah. phone directory number 2, number 102, exit phone number 3, number 103, exit. Now what we're going to do and do right, we have to do right, probably to close the router and open again because it doesn't get the line number. Yes. Just switch on, we wait the loading. Okay, if it still doesn't get the line number, you just have to fast forward a little bit or save your work first. Save as new project, yeah, and save. So you save here, you go open again, yes, new project, you open again this one, we wait all this to loading, or we can just fast forward to have a look. We get IP, some get IP. So because probably it's some error or something like that. If see now, we just save and we reopen all our org and we get the line number 101 for this one. For this one 102, and for this one it's 103. Now let's try to call from this one. Click on the phone guy and we're trying to phone number 3, yeah? So number 3 it was the number line number, it was 103. Click on the phone, ring out, we go on this one guy, and you see we receive call from 101. If you look here, just press and it's connected. So that's all guys, what you have to do. Yeah, if it's doesn't work and you know you did everything right, just save your project and reopen again, because I get some error because of the Cisco. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Ask questions, ask for help. I can make a video tutorial if you need a project and you don't know how to do it. I'm going to make a video tutorial and all this. Thank you very much.